Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Manu. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this beautiful hair right here. If this is your first time stopping by, what are you waiting for? Please just click the subscribe button, join the family, Welcome to my channel. Make sure you click the subscribe button. If you're coming back, come back again to support your girl. Thank you so much for supporting. And yeah, I'll just show you guys how I'm gonna make this beautiful hair. If you really like this hair, if you want to see how I achieve this beautiful luscious hair, then stick with me, watch this video until the end to see how I achieved this. And if you also want to see a review of this hair, I'm gonna have a video on my channel maybe the same day that I upload this one. I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna have a video on my channel talking about that, so you can also go watch that video. Okay, thank you for watching. Let's see you.
Okay, so to start this wig, you're going to need a mannequin head, your wig cap, and as you can see, the wig cap is tightly secured to the mannequin head using a T-pin, so that's tight and secure. This is what the T-pins look like, just in case you were wondering, just in case you wanted to get them. And then obviously we're going to need hair. I have the curly hair from Ornate hair. If you want to see a review on this hair, definitely check out the link in the description box. I like the curly needles because they're easy to work with. We're going to need the scissors just in case we need to cut something. And yeah, that's pretty much all you need to make a wig. The next step is to use your T-pins to lay the lace down tight and flat on the mannequin head. I try to lay this down on all four sides, and yeah, just try to make it as tight, as snug as you can.
Okay, so right now I'm just making a knot on the thread. Try not to make a thread too long because then it's going to be hard to work with. As you can see here, the lace is very tight, it's very flat, so it's going to be really easy to sew onto. It's not going to give you any stress at all if you do this correctly. I'm just passing my needle through the lace and the wig cap. So if you have a wig cap that has elastic bands, obviously you don't want to pass it through the elastic band. So yeah, that's all you have to do. So make sure you're just sewing the hair as nice and tight as possible. I try to make my sewing really close to each other, that way the lace is really secure. It's all about security here, guys. You don't want to go out and then have your wig just coming apart in public, but that's not okay. And can we just take a moment to appreciate how flat this wig is looking? Girl, this wig is so flat. I'm so proud of this sewing that I'm doing here. Okay guys, so it's pretty much the same thing, just passing that thread through the lace and the wig cap just to keep it secure. I'm making a knot. I usually cut the thread and tie at least 3 or 4 times to make sure that it's really tight and secure. Can we just take a moment to appreciate how flat that lace was looking? Like, oh, it looked so flat. Okay, so here I'm just passing the hair through the needle through the weft of the hair and then through the lace. So you're gonna just basically sew this onto the wig cap like you would sew anything, pretty much. And yeah, I'm also making knots while I'm sewing. So passing the thread through the weft and the lace, and then I make a knot so it's tight and secure. You want to make this as tight and secure as possible, because if it's not tight and secure, your wig is going to be coming off after a while, right? So I use the T-pins to hold the hair, that way I don't have to be fighting back and forth with the weave and the mannequin head. So this makes life really easy for me. But for this wig I use the flipping method, I think that's what it's called. So basically you sew the hair all the way to the end and then you flip the hair around and just keep sewing like that. So that's what I'm using here. I'm just showing you guys how I flip the hair. So I try to make it as flat as possible. I've always put the thread and needle through the weft of the hair so it's as flat as possible. Like, my main goal is just to make this hair really flat. Alright guys, let me just stop talking, just let you guys enjoy this whole thing. Just watch. Hope you guys are enjoying. I hope it's really easy to follow. So I've gotten closer to the top, just sewing, make sure I'm sewing close as possible. If you noticed, I was actually doing a double weft before, but now I'm doing a single weft. And I'm basically just making sure that I'm sewing the hair to the lace frontal so that the hair is tight and it looks really flat, looks like your natural hair when you put it on. I'm putting the needle through the wig cap and the lace front and the frontal, and then sewing it all together. So make sure you're making this knot at the end. Don't tie your thread without making all these multiple knots. Now, can we just appreciate how this hair is looking? It looks really beautiful. It looks really flat, like nothing has even been done to it. Oh, I know what you guys are thinking. Let's just style this wig. Okay, let's style this wig. So now I'm just basically gonna cut out the excess wig cap that we wouldn't be using. So you need to cut this out so you can actually put on this wig and enjoy the lace closure that you have. So yeah, try not to cut it too close to the closure. Please don't do that. You're gonna ruin everything and you have to do it all over. So you see how I cut it? It's close but not too close, so it's still safe. Now I'm just attaching, those pin combs that make the hair secure. I mean, I always like my wig secure. Like I couldn't possibly wear a wig without having these things on them. So yeah, I have four pin combs, so it's tight, secure, and I'm gonna be so confident wearing this wig. This wig cannot be complete without plucking out the front hairs, making the front look natural. As you can see, the wig is quite full in front. I have to pluck out some of the hair just to give it that natural look. Honestly, I plucked for like 10-15 minutes until it looked good enough, and I tried not to pluck away too much. I'm just using a tweezer, going in line by line, plucking, and just constantly checking to see what it looks like, just so that I don't pluck too much. And if you pluck too much, there's really no way to go back from that. So I'm just putting some conditioner, trying to bring out the curls, help the hair lay flat. I'm making my parting, trying to make this hair look good. This hair has to look so good. Just spraying some more conditioner, spraying something to help to help maintain the curls. As you can see, guys, this hair looks way better than before. It looks so good, so good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs. I try not to do too much baby hairs. Honestly, I don't even like them, so I'm just doing very, very little. I'm probably going to take it out. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, guys, that's the end. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, if you like this hair, if you like the outcome, give this video a big thumbs up.